Welcome to One Sound. Today we are introducing a new loudspeaker line called Level. Level is up on the wall there, and if you see it, it's unique in its form factor and how it looks or mounts to the wall. It uses the wall or the ceiling or the floor as a boundary. So it has a tremendous amount of low end for the form factor. Another unique characteristic is its progressive horn, which allows the listener directly underneath the loudspeaker to have coherent high frequency. And as you back away from the loudspeaker, the horn gets narrower to keep the high frequency traveling with a good equalization as you go 30 and 40 feet away. So it's really unique in how it's utilized. By the height adjustment of it can go from right above the person's head to 16 to 20 feet in the air. And the multicellular progressive horn is a unique factor. There are 6 5-inch transducers. 3 are passive, 3 are active, and a coaxial. And it sounds very musical, and that's my favorite thing about it. And it sounds musical in a larger area of field. So it goes on the wall very simply. It comes with the bracket, and it's very easy to access. The speak-on connector actually in the rear of it. It's recessed inside. So that's the Level 35.